I visited Tokyo again last month and I saw quite a lot of new architecture. The first one I want to introduce is the Ginza Sony Park. You might be wondering, out of all these expensive, luxurious buildings in Ginza, why there is a short, brutalist style building stand right at the corner. This plot is the heart of Ginza, Tokyo. Yet, Sony demolished the whole building and rebuilt it with a space open to the public, as the Garden of Ginza. But it wasn't rebuilt into its current form all at once. First, they turned into the site into a temporary experimental park for 3 years. Then they transformed it into the current state, opening it to the public this year. Instead of building like the neighboring glassy building, the whole facade is covered by fair-faced concrete and wrapped in a steel grate. In the middle of the building, the massive, brutalist spiral staircase continuously connecting from the basement to the top. There's plenty of space for people to sit and take rest on every floors. On 4th floor there's exhibition space, and on B3 level there's a unique Sony-themed restaurant. I think it's brilliant for a famous enterprise to show social responsibility by creating a green oasis in the heart of the busy city rather than another generic commercial space. Sony has successfully created a true garden for Ginza. It has also attracted people like me to appreciate this masterpiece. Right after this, I'm also showcasing a walkthrough video of this building without narration. I hope you will enjoy this kind of video. And as always, please remember to like, share and subscribe.